sunglasses. These sunglasses because it's so sunny on the beach, okay? Yeah? Ready, go! Let's pick out a pair of sunglasses from the wall.
Which ones you
Let's
want?
grab some sunglasses. Good job. Now come on over here, Brett, and let's pay for them. Come on over.